Hey, this is Marie Caliente, and tonight I'm going to drink one of my beers from Beers of the World. That was cheesy, but alright. I don't know what beer to drink. Okay. First beer is from Germany. It is called St. Pauli. St. Pauli Girl, special dark beer. See, Marissa? This one. There's two German beers in here, which once again, that's Germany taking over. Ha! Here's another one. This is called Warsteiner. Right, Warsteiner? Murphy's Red Ale, which is an Irish beer. Irish. I believe... Okay, this is Red Horse. This is made in the Philippines. What else? Pilsner Urquell. I'm probably saying that horribly wrong, but this is from the Czech Republic? I don't know, I can't really tell. I want to say it's the Czech Republic. Czech. Which one is this? Estrella. Damn. Beer from Barcelona. Alright. 4 more technically. Peroni. I'm just saying them all in this accent just because I want to. This is from Italy. Kongi Ludwig Weistimper. This is Royal Bavarian. From Bavaria? I don't know.
You okay? You seem a little bit nervous.
What's this one? Alhambra from Spain. Oh, what was this one again? Goulash Großisk from Holland. Is it from Holland? What beer should I drink tonight? What should I drink tonight, Mouse? Pick one. And peek. Which one is this? This is the Bavarian beer that I'm drinking tonight now. Here we go! I'll tell you the aftermath. Alright, see you guys. Marie Caliente, out.